friends, welcome to our channel Tech LXP. My name is Prem Sagar and today I will show you how to block any software with Windows Firewall. So, let's start it. First of all, go to Control Panel. Click on Windows Firewall. Now, click on Advanced Setting. Then, click on Inbound Rules. Now, on right side click on New Rule. Mark on Program. Then click Next button. Mark on this program path. And select the program which you want to block from internet accessing. Now on Next button. Mark on Block the connection, and then hit the Next button. Leave the setting default, and again hit Next. Fill the name of software and hit the Finish. Let's check that it is done or not, and here you can see that it is blocked from internet accessing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.